John, thank you for joining us. Tell us a little bit about what this catalyst is aiming to do.
Well, NFV-SDN has been in our industry for a number of years, and it's really been transforming the way operations work in service providers around the world. But working with the folks at Verizon, Microsoft, Digital Route, and Sigma, we came to the realization that we need to actually push that transformation actually up closer to the point of purchase. So the way customers go about buying products and services that are composed with NFV-SDN, that needs to change, and this catalyst has explored that.
Okay, and what will be the business impact of that? Why should the CFO care, for example?
Absolutely, it's about maximizing margins and driving out underutilized data centers. So what we want to do is we want to use price, promotion, and package to actually change the price of a product that you see on a website based on overuse, underuse, and so forth. Maybe we rearrange products so you're not as likely to buy something if in fact that product's become, the margin's a little rough on that product this week. That type of thing, because NFV-SDN allows things to move very, very, very quick. So therefore, that point of purchase needs to also react as quickly.
So it's about optimal pricing in real time to maximize your yield, as it were.
Absolutely, absolutely. And if we can do that, then we're going to have data centers that, instead of being unused, and that CIO is really upset around, is we can actually drive the usage to those data centers with slightly different SLAs and product availability and so forth. And then we have other data centers that are overused. The last thing we want to do is trigger a truck roll to install more gear when we just sold that for a discounted price. So if we do have to do it, we want to make sure it's at list price, maximum possible margin there.
Okay. And John, who's involved in this catalyst?
Yeah, so we've got the folks at Verizon has sponsored the catalyst, and then we've got Microsoft, Digital Route, and the folks from Sigma Systems.
And what are you aiming to get done this year? What's the priorities?
Well, this is our first catalyst this year. So today it was just really about exploring that initial customer experience. But we think there's great ways to actually connect into a lot of things that are going on in the smart home, e-health, the smart grid, electricity usage and so forth. Should that start being influenced all the way up into that path of purchase?
Excellent. Thank you, John.